Imagine an island lost in the vast Pacific, where towering stone statues stand silent witness to a civilization's rise and fall. This is Easter Island, a place of mystery and tragedy. For centuries, the Rapa Nui people thrived on this remote island, developing a unique culture rich in art and tradition. But their story took a dark turn, leading to one of history's greatest environmental disasters. Today, Easter Island is known for its iconic moai, massive stone figures scattered across the landscape. These monolithic statues represent the ancestors of the Rapa Nui and their spiritual beliefs. But beneath the surface of these awe-inspiring monuments lies a tale of environmental collapse and societal decline. The Rapa Nui's ingenuity also sowed the seeds of their own destruction. How did a civilization that could create such monumental works end up collapsing? What lessons can we learn from their tragic fate? Join us as we unravel the enigma of Easter Island. Easter Island's isolation made it a crucible of innovation, but it also meant that once resources were depleted, there was no easy way to recover. The island's ecosystem paid a heavy price. The Rapa Nui people had to adapt to survive on this resource-poor land, developing ingenious methods to sustain themselves. Yet, their survival strategies eventually backfired, leading to severe ecological consequences. What drove the Rapa Nui to cut down their forests and deplete their soil? Was it a lack of foresight, or did they have no other choice? These questions remain at the heart of Easter Island's enduring mystery. By exploring the Rapa Nui's past, we can gain insights into how societies interact with their environment and what happens when that relationship goes awry. Easter Island serves as a cautionary tale for our modern world. The Rapa Nui people faced severe environmental challenges, primarily deforestation. Their actions led to soil erosion and a decline in agricultural productivity, crucial for survival on this remote island. Over time, the Rapa Nui constructed hundreds of moai statues, which required vast resources and labor. These monumental efforts likely exacerbated resource depletion and environmental degradation. The construction of moai involved moving heavy stones using wooden sledges and rollers. This process consumed significant quantities of wood, contributing to deforestation and soil loss. Archaeological evidence suggests that the Rapa Nui population peaked around 1600 CE, before declining rapidly due to environmental stress and possible conflict over scarce resources. Oral traditions among the Rapa Nui describe a period of societal collapse marked by internal conflicts and a breakdown of social structures. The arrival of European explorers in the 18th century introduced new diseases to Easter Island, further weakening the already vulnerable Rapa Nui population. Despite the environmental and social crises, the Rapa Nui managed to preserve some aspects of their culture through oral histories and traditional practices. Today, archaeological research continues to uncover new insights into the lives of the Rapa Nui, revealing complex interactions between human activity and environmental change. The story of Easter Island serves as a cautionary tale about the potential consequences of unsustainable resource use and environmental mismanagement. Understanding the past helps us learn from the mistakes of the Rapa Nui civilization, guiding us towards more sustainable practices for our own future. The Rapa Nui's legacy reminds us of the intricate balance between human societies and their environment, a lesson that remains relevant today. Modern conservation efforts aim to restore Easter Island's ecosystem, hoping to heal the land and preserve the cultural heritage of the Rapa Nui. Scientists study pollen records and soil samples to reconstruct the ecological history of Easter Island, shedding light on past environmental changes. These studies reveal periods of intense deforestation, followed by regrowth, reflecting the fluctuating fortunes of the Rapa Nui civilization. By understanding the environmental impacts of the Rapa Nui, we can better address contemporary issues such as climate change and biodiversity loss. The story of Easter Island is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of human societies in the face of environmental challenges. However, it also highlights the dangers of ignoring the limits of our environment, offering lessons for sustainable development worldwide. Through careful management and respect for natural resources, we can prevent the kind of collapse experienced by the Rapa Nui and ensure a sustainable future. The legacy of the Rapa Nui provides valuable insights into the complex relationship between humans and their environment, guiding us toward a more balanced future. As we continue to explore the mysteries of Easter Island, we gain deeper understanding of our own capacity to impact and shape the world around us. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions that protect both our cultural heritage and the natural world for generations to come. By learning from the past, we can build a more resilient and sustainable future, honoring the memory of the Rapa Nui and their enduring legacy. The story of Easter Island is a powerful reminder of the profound connection between human societies and their environment, urging us to act responsibly. By preserving the lessons of the past, we can create a brighter, more sustainable future for all, ensuring that the spirit of the Rapa Nui endures. The deforestation on Easter Island led to severe soil erosion, stripping the land of its fertility. Without trees, the topsoil washed away into the sea, leaving the once lush landscape barren and unable to support agriculture. As resources dwindled, conflict erupted among the islanders. The once cohesive society fractured into competing factions, each vying for the remaining scarce resources, leading to societal breakdown and civil unrest. Despite their isolation, the islanders' collapse was not inevitable. Archaeologists believe that with better resource management and cooperation, they could have sustained their civilization longer and possibly avoided catastrophe. Today, the haunting statues of Easter Island serve as silent sentinels, reminding us of the consequences of unchecked environmental degradation and the importance of sustainable practices for future generations. The story of Easter Island warns us of the dangers of unsustainable practices and the fragility of isolated ecosystems. As we look at the barren landscape, we see a civilization that collapsed under its own weight. The Moai stand as a testament to the ingenuity and culture of the Rapa Nui people. Yet, their very construction contributed to the environmental degradation that led to societal collapse. This island's history is a cautionary tale for our world today, where resources are finite and environmental stewardship is essential. We must learn from the mistakes of Easter Island. By understanding the factors that led to the decline of the Rapa Nui civilization, we can avoid repeating the same cycle of environmental destruction and resource depletion. Easter Island's downfall serves as a powerful reminder of the consequences of ignoring ecological balance. Our actions today shape the future of our planet. We must adopt sustainable practices and respect the limits of our environment to prevent similar collapses elsewhere. The lessons from Easter Island are clear and urgent. As global citizens, it's our responsibility to ensure that future generations inherit a healthier, more resilient world. Let us act with foresight and care. By looking back at Easter Island, we gain insight into the potential consequences of our current actions. The choice between sustainability and destruction is ours to make. Easter Island's tragic story urges us to reconsider our relationship with nature. It's a call to protect our planet before it's too late. In remembering the fate of the Rapa Nui, let us embrace sustainable solutions and foster a greener future. The survival of our planet depends on it. The legacy of Easter Island compels us to act responsibly. Together, we can prevent our own civilization from meeting a similar fate.